Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I'm your health educator Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Meds. Yes, this is your Monday Meds. Because of the overwhelming heat that we have been experiencing here in Jamaica, and not just here, but other parts of the Caribbean have experienced heat um, from the heat wave that's going through the Caribbean. And many of you have asked me what is causing it, where is it coming from? And I am not a meteorologist. However, I have done quite a bit of research on what has been happening. As the summer season approaches, we will definitely see higher temperatures in our atmosphere or in our region of the Caribbean. And as many of you know that certain parts of the east, they are experiencing summer right now, and so most times their weather pattern comes over to us, like you can see with hurricanes. That yes, hurricane season is next begins next month in a few more weeks, and so um, many of the things that the weather patterns that we are experiencing, it's a spin-off sometimes from what is happening in the east or in that side on that side of the world, in the eastern part of the world. And so that to answer your question in a nutshell. But we encourage you check with your local meteorological center. However, though, I will caution you that when your local meteorologists tell you of a weather pattern or change, sometimes it's when it's right at your doorsteps. So, one of the things that I'll encourage you to do as you are watching YouTube, you can find many great weather channels on here on YouTube. One that we highly recommend is Mr. Weatherman, and he knows that we support him here in Jamaica because he gives us a lot of um, weather warnings that is right on par. And so we love you. Shout out Brian Shields. Yes, we love you. You help to keep us safe. And so, yes, definitely check with a reliable weather channel here on YouTube that does give you up to date weather information. So, here in my hand or in my hands, I'm holding a cup of water. And yes, it is water. And you may be saying, what is she doing with water? So yes, we want to give you some tips. In the advisory that we sent out last week, that has given me quite a bit of work over the weekend, responding to your messages and your emails. I thought, why not use this Monday, this time, to share with you how you can keep safe. You saw the messages, at least you saw the first message. I don't know if you've seen the second message, which is a response. So interestingly, I've gotten calls from individuals who have their concerns about their elderly, the seniors and the elderly in their family or in their care. And so, and I've also gotten emails and messages, WhatsApp messages from individuals saying that there's no water. There's no water in parts of Kingston, in parts of Portmore, here in Jamaica. And they're concerned that they don't have water. So, how can they take a shower to keep cool? How can they drink water if they don't have water? And so, I thought about this. So this bag in my hand, we put together this for over a year actually, and it is for a feature that we're going to be doing very soon. So when you see me with this bag in my hand again, with this, oops, when you see me with this bag in my hand, and this is a washcloth. And we're going to show you, stay tuned, very soon we're going to show you how you can use this when there's no water. Yeah, well, we're going to show you right now how you can use it when you have little water. So this is a cup of water, 8-ounce water. And you may be saying, well, I don't have enough water to take a shower. So how do I keep cool? Use hydrotherapy. And this is a form of hydrotherapy. You're going to wet the rag. Of course, you're not going to let the water drop like I'm doing because it is limited. So you're going to put the rag or the washcloth over a basin and you're going to wet it. Yeah, you're going to wet it. And this is new, so I could even squeeze it back into the cup because this is new. This has not been used. And you're going to wipe. You're going to wipe. You're gonna wipe the individual down, including yourself. So you're gonna keep cool. Now I am feeling cool because yes, I've been perspiring. Because yes, a few days of heat wave and we still have some of it. But thank God we got some rain yesterday that cooled us down. So my point is you can use hydrotherapy. You can use a wet rag or a wet wash cloth or a wet piece of cloth that is absorbent, that will wet the face, and you do that to the individual's hands, the neck, face, hands, and neck. And for children too, we need to keep them, so children and the elderly, they are most vulnerable to relate to heat. And so you definitely, in terms of, they are more likely to get dehydrated and sick, like heat stroke, than adults like us moving about active. So you have to be careful. And so as we talk about how you can hydrate yourself, we did talk about water. We'll share in the description section of this video, in our playlist. We have a playlist about water, everything water. We'll share that, and also how you can purify water. We've shared that. And so yes, it is important for you to keep safe. Drink at least 8 8-ounce, so 8 cups, at least 8 of this each and every day. As many of you received the advisory last week on how to keep safe and healthy when there's a heat wave or when the temperature is really too hot. One of the things that we encourage you to do is to wear light colored clothing. So this shirt, it's light, as you can see, it's bright and it's light. So it does help to keep me cool, as opposed to if it was a darker color or a dark color. Also, you want to wear cotton, as best as possible, cotton clothing or cloth. That will help your skin to breathe better, especially when it's hot, the time is hot. Also, you were encouraged to have a bottle of water with you. Have a bottle of water with you to remind yourself that you need to drink. And yes, I need to drink some water. So yes, this is water. And when you drink the water, you want to sip on it. You don't want to gulp it down, as we would say in Jamaica, like drinking it fast. When you drink water, you gotta drink it slowly and allow it to work through your body, go through your body, and at least through your stomach, and that your lungs and your kidneys especially can filter it or can absorb it quick, absorb it even better. And so yes, you don't want to overwork your organs by drinking too quickly. So yes, those are some tips for you. We'll give you more as we go along, but I hope these are very useful to you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.